let's create the project setup. The first thing we need to do is to create the Next.js project boilerplate and install Tailwind CSS that will take care of our styles. Open our terminal and write the following code. So let's copy this code and copy it here. We will name the project. What is create NFT Kelly? Okay, here it is. I have created the folder number 4. Let's go to terminal here. Uh, create NFT gallery. So let's wait for installation. Proceed. Yes. Let's create a folder here. Now it's downloading the Tailwind CSS. Wait for it to complete. So here you can see that some folders and files are added. It's still installing it. It's taking too much time. Okay. So yes, it's done. Now let's see the next instruction. Now navigate to our project and on VS Code. We have already opened in VS Code, so not needed anything. Now let's run the command. Okay. Right click on it and click on it. As I have yarn installed, so I am running this command with the yarn. You can run the exact command which is here, npm run dev. So it's running now. Let's check it in the browser. Here it is. So we have successfully created the application. Next.js application. So we won't need it. You can delete all the code inside div text pages index.tsx. So let's do this. What we need to delete is, yeah, so we have delete complete code. Let's check it. Yes, we have completed the code. Now let's move on. Your code inside the index.css file should now look like this, because the tutorial will use JavaScript and not TypeScript. Before writing your code, convert your index.tsx and ap.tsx app.tsx files from tsx to jsx. Okay, so let's convert them, rename them JSX, and rename it, rename this one JSX also. Okay.